In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix website. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a site removes it from your dashboard's active sites and makes it unavailable to visitors. If you'll need any text, images, or design references later, consider saving copies first so you're comfortable proceeding. Start by logging in to your Wix dashboard. Use a desktop browser for the clearest view. Once you're in, you'll see your list of sites. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to identify the exact site you want to remove. Check the site name and, if applicable, the connected domain so you're certain you're working on the right one. Next, locate the Site Actions button to the right of that site's name. It's a small menu that houses management options. Click it to open the options menu. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. This action doesn't instantly erase the site forever. It transfers the site out of your active list and marks it for removal. When a site is moved to the trash, it is no longer live, so visitors will no longer be able to access it. Wix will ask you to confirm. This is the moment to double check you've selected the correct site. When you're ready, click Move to Trash again to confirm. After this confirmation, the change takes effect immediately. Your site is now located in the trash section of your dashboard. Think of the trash as a staging area that helps prevent accidental loss. From there, you can see items you've removed and decide what to do next on your own timeline. If you use a custom domain, note that a trashed site won't serve content to visitors. This helps prevent confusion while you organize your next steps for that domain. That's the entire process. To recap in plain terms, log into your Wix dashboard, find the correct site, open Site Actions, choose Move to Trash, and confirm. Keeping these steps in order ensures you remove the right site cleanly and confidently. If you pause to make backups, great job safeguarding your work. If not, that's okay. Wix's trash provides a buffer so you can review removed items before making any permanent decisions. Take a final glance at your list of sites to confirm everything looks as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you're now ready to tidy up your Wix dashboard and keep only the sites you still need.